I came here to rat some people out. We had her with us for 2 months. We went from Indiana to Oregon, back to Indiana, back to California. This girl here drove me crazy.
Can I have you come up here real quick? Can you come up here real quick? Yeah, come up here. You know what you're about to do.
Put her inside your jacket and have a straw right here. Yeah. And then by the time you get over there, be like,
Dear Klement, first and foremost, I want to tell you that you are the best dad, role model, and supporter to our family. Today is the day that we have been waiting on for many years. Today we come together as one and continue to grow with each other. I still remember the first day we met. It is fresh in my mind as if it happened just a couple days ago. Now that we are going to be entering a new stage of our relationship, I want to tell you that you mean the world to me. No matter how good or bad times will be, I will always be there for you. I promise that I will do everything that I can to make this marriage the most beautiful journey together. I promise to keep the adventure and the spark in our marriage alive. I promise to always trust you and always respect you. And I promise to keep all my promises. Love, Grasshopper.
You look so gorgeous. Oh my God, you're beautiful. Oh, that is so
We are gathered here today before friends, family, and above all else, God, to witness the holy matrimony of Klement and Aerial. Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It's not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful, and it does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but rejoices in truth. It hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends. Klement, do you promise to love, honor, and cherish and respect Ariel above all others from this day forward until your very last day on earth?
I do.
Ariel, do you promise to love, honor, and cherish Klement for the rest of your life till your very last day on earth?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Church and the state of Indiana, I now pronounce you man and wife.
I wanted to thank you, Ariel, for making my brother a better person every day and for joining his life, and welcome to the family officially, even though you've been a part of the family since day one when you entered his life. But cheers to you too.
Klement, you really showed her true love, and she deserves that.
We almost didn't have a wedding because last night we lost the wedding certificate, or the marriage license. That was his fault. So I'm just here to ratting people out, so that way we get everything clear. Congratulations, and I'll toast you with some of this Heineken beer. We love you guys.
You've been waiting for that all day. All day.
I just want to say, love y'all, and y'all have happy life together.